mind my food bowl in the back because I forgot to move it. Now it's gone. Anyway, I think we're good. Yes. No, we're not. Hey guys, welcome back to Hely Handmade. If you're new here, we make crafts, DIYs, and also film whatever I feel like filming. So if any of that interests you, then please continue watching and hopefully you will subscribe. Mind my food bowl in the back because I forgot to move it. Now it's gone. Anyway, today and probably over the next month or two, we are doing a bit of a change to my hair. Now, as we all know, I love my purple hair. Love it. But I've had it for such a long time now, I feel that I'm ready for a change and I want to sort of see it as a different colour. So that's what we're going to do. But to get there, the first things I need to do is to strip as much of the colour out as I can first of all. And I'll strip it. Next step will be to bleach it and then to colour it. Well, tone it and then colour it. But obviously I don't want to do all these in one go and in one day because that will damage my hair, and that's the last thing that I need to do. What colour am I going to be going? Well, I am going to be going this Mauve Kiss colour. So it's like it looks quite bright on there, but it's a little bit darker pink. Actually, to be fair, no, it doesn't look like it. It's not really showing very well, but it's like a dark sort of pink colour that I thought would be quite nice to change up for my hair, and that's the colour we're going to try and aim for. Whether we get it is a different matter, but we're going to aim for it. At the moment, as of recording this, I haven't purchased my colour remover yet or my bleach and toner. I've been looking at a lot of, because I used to use quite a lot of Bleach London products, so I might use their bleach and toner products. I can't remember if they've got a colour remover, but if not, I've used before colour remover before, so I might use that one again. I'm going to have a little bit of a research on it, to be quite honest, because as I said, the last thing I want to be doing is damaging any of my hair. It's going to damage it a little bit because it's chemicals added to your hair that aren't naturally there, and it's going to be stripping it. And the reason that I said I'm not going to do it all in one day is because I don't want to get rid of the natural oils from my hair, because if I do it in one day, my scalp's going to get so dry and it will be so sore that it's just going to damage everything. And that doesn't just include my scalp, that includes the endings of my hair, because they're quite fragile as well. So we're going to do this in steps, and I usually try and do it over a few weeks or so. Usually, and I know it sounds gross, but before I do any sort of product with my hair, whether it's dyeing it or in this case stripping it first, I like to get my hair to be as greasy as possible, so that then I've got those natural oils built up in there, and then I can strip it. I mean, yes, it's still going to damage it, but at least those oils are a little bit of a protector towards it. I am not a hairdresser under any means, as we all know, but I haven't done too badly with my hair when bleaching it. Fingers crossed, and touch wood, my desk in front of me, I'm not going to have any hair fall out, but never say never. Just because it hasn't happened to me before does not mean it's going to happen to me now. And as I said, I'm not a professional, so do not take my advice, but this is something that I'm doing to my hair and that I am going to be doing because I want to. And if I don't like it and all else fails, we go back to purple. No issues, just the odd bit of money that I've wasted on trying to change my hair. But yes, so that is the plan. Today is the 4th of January, as I'm recording this, obviously, because I'm recording. But I will be back when I have got when I've got both. Let's start with first, when I've got my colour stripper and when my hair is at a suitable stage that it's fairly greasy to be able to try and remove some of this colour. I'm going to need 2 boxes because my hair may look deceiving in this, but my hair is so thick that it just grows. Doesn't matter what little piece you get, suddenly about 10 layers just grow underneath it. So that is the plan. So I will see you soon. Hello. I almost did this whole bit without recording. Anyway, as you can see, my hair is wet, which means I'm bleach bathing my hair today. Now, I will put contacts in usually for this, but I've run out, so sticking with the glasses. I don't know why I did that with the list. But yes, we're bleach bathing, so, oh, hold on, you're kind of skew-if. Nope, damn it, I should have left it how it was. We've got to there, and I wanted you a bit further up. Sort of, whatever. You know, when you just sort of kind of give up. Oh, that might help. I've done it. I found 2 empty contact lens packets that I geniusly didn't throw away, so now my phone stays up. Yeah, I can see you're totally excited by this. Just the mad woman that continues to talk and not get on. Ignore my nails. I did one hand but forgot to do the other, so I'm doing that whilst it does its preppy thing. Anyway, so my hair's wet. I have wetted it, ready to do a bleach bath because I don't like doing pure bleach on my hair, mainly because my hair's quite thick and I don't have enough to do that, and also to do it on its own, and also I find it's not as harsh on my hair when I bleach bath it. It won't get as bright, but it will do something. I'm using my normal peroxide, but I usually use a 30 volume, but all I could find was a 40, so I'm using 40. And I've got the maximum blonde toner just to take the brassiness out afterwards. So, should we get on with it? I think so, loves. Yeah, we'll do that. So it is all shampooed. I'm trying to cover it all. Yeah. Alright, I'll get better at covering it in a minute. It's all shampooed. It is starting to change colour. I also remembered that I forgot to tell you that I am not doing the colour remover first. I know I really should, but I couldn't afford it when it came to it. So we're just going to try and bleach out as much as we can and see what happens. So I'm going to leave this now for about 45 minutes-ish. I'll check on it sort of every 20 minutes and we'll be back. I'll be back probably once it's washed out. That's better, I found my shower cap. It's all nice done in clothes now, I think. Yes, it is. So we're patchy. But I'm not too bothered because I knew I'd need a second lot anyway. But it's mainly only patchy at the roots, so the roots mainly just need doing. Who said you could fall over? I think we're good. Yes. No, we're not. We're not. We're not. We're not. We're not. We'll do this overbearing. Yes, that's the best camera angle we can get. What I'm going to do now is I'm still going to tone my hair. I've just washed all the bleach out and I've just shampooed it. So I'm just going to put the toner in, leave that in for a bit. Just to get these bits at the bottom. They're looking gingery. They're looking nicer on camera. But anyway, they're a bit gingerier in person. Is gingerier a word? It is now. So I'm going to do that. And then maybe show you what it's like when it's dry. But it's probably not going to be that interesting. But I'll give you a little shot of it. But yes, I will be back in a minute. Don't know why I'm singing. This is what we ended up like. I did just show you a clip like before. I think I added it. We'll see. But I'm about to do another bleach bath just to get rid of this darkness on the top. It doesn't need too much at the bottom. I'm going to try and leave as much of the bottom as I can. But yes, I'm going to bleach bath it, see how light we get. And then after a few more days, we are finally going to dye it pink. I'm so excited. I miss colours. Anyway, I'll see you when it's hopefully a bit lighter and not falling out of my head. So we're definitely blonde now. Very brassy. The toner didn't seem to take it down at all. I don't know if I showed you it, but it was this one that I used. It's supposed to be platinum, but I think maybe it wasn't as white blonde enough for it to tone further. I don't know. So yeah, so we've got to that. I have broken out everywhere in spots, so ignore those. But it's like 2 days later from when I, bleached it for the second time. It was a sentence, not a word. And I'm now bored, and my hair's only just like the slightest bit going greasy because I've been adding quite a bit of oil to my hair just to sort of make it feel good. But I'm bored and I can no longer wait for my hair to be a different colour because I don't like blonde. No offence, like it suits other people, but it's just not for me. And look, my eyebrows just don't go with it at all. So we're going to dye my hair. If we can't remember, I'm sure we can remember. You can remember a lot better than I can. But we're going this colour, which is called Kiss Mauve. Kiss Mauve? Mauve. Mauve, innit? Kiss Mauve. We get there in the end. But yes, so what I am going to do, I'm going to time-lapse me dyeing my hair. I need to put some gloves on and my tablet, so I've got something to listen to in the background. I'm, you know, keeping myself updated with Animal Crossing because, you know, the Mario update's coming very soon and I cannot wait. I wish it would hurry up. I need those mushrooms and stars around my island. But anyway, off topic completely. Should we get started? I think we should. I have forgotten my towel. It's fine, it's fine. We know it's going to go around the room anyway. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so we're all dyed, including my neck, as we can see. My top is as well, my arms, my whole face. So I'm going to try and clean that up and then wash it out, and then we will be back when I do a reveal. See you soon. Ta-da! So this is the finished look. I love it. I do actually really like the pink. I can't stop touching it. Now, I will be honest, this has been washed. It's been washed once. That's not me being honest, is it? I've re-dyed it because I dyed it and then it faded because I forgot to film the outro. So I re-dyed it and then it's been washed once this morning. But it's still looking very pink. I think I might look for another dye that hopefully holds on. It's supposed to be a permanent pink dye, which it's not holding on as well as I hoped, but it still looks really pretty. So I'm going to have a look at some different types to see if they can hold a little bit longer, but I love it. And it's, oh, it makes me look like I'm tanned. I am pale, I look yellow. which is great because, hello, yeah. Oh, do you want to scoot it down because I was too tall for the frame and my head was getting cut off, so I scooted back down. So yeah, but this is what we finished up with. I hope you like it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and remember to do all your subscribey stuff and YouTubey things, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!